Alright, so we're doing packet tracer 3247, troubleshooting a VLAN. Okay, so we're going to start by pinging PC1 and PC4, PC2, PC5, PC3, and PC6. These should be on the same VLANs. So we're going to PC1 to PC4, failed, PC2, PC5, failed, PC3 to PC6, also failed. Okay, so first thing it says to check is the IP address and the subnet mask of all the PCs, and all that information is right here. So we'll start with PC1, 172.170.10.21/24, PC2, 172.17.20.22, yep, PC3, 172.17.30.23, yep, PC4, 172.17.10.24, PC5, 2025, yep, PC6. Alright, so it's supposed to be 3026 and they've got it in here as 5026, so we're going to change that to 30. So let's try and ping again. Still failed. Still failed. And still failed. Alright, so step 2, we're going to check the ports assigned to the correct VLANs. The ports are configured to the correct mode, and the ports are connected to the correct devices. So this shows which ports they're supposed to be connected at and which VLAN they're supposed to be on. So we're going to go into switch 2, show VLAN brief. So F18 is on 20, which is correct. There's nothing on 10, and F6 and F11 are both on 30. F6 is the only one that should be on 30, so we're going to do T interface F11 switch port access VLAN. Oops, would help if I spelled right. VLAN 10. And we're going to go do show VLAN brief. And now F11 is on 10, 18 is on 20, and 6 is on 30. So that's correct. Now we're going to go over here and check these ones. Show VLAN brief. So F11 is on 10, F6 is on 20, and F18 is on 30. It looks like they switched 18 and 6. So we're going to go conf T, interface F6, switch port access VLAN 30, interface F18, switch port access VLAN 20. Do show VLAN brief. So now 11 is on 10, 18 is on 20, and 6 is on 30, just like the chart. Let's see if that helps. So PC1, let's delete these first. To PC4, failed. PC2 to PC5, failed. PC3 to PC6, still failed. Okay, so now we need to check and make sure that the correct ports have been trunked. So we'll do show interface trunk. No trunking at all. So G01 should be trunked. So we're going to go to interface G01, switch port mode trunk. Do show interface trunk. So now G01 is a trunk, and 1, 10, 20, 30, and 99 are allowed. So we'll do the same thing over here. Do show interface trunk. So G02 is trunked. That's good. Switch 1. Show interface trunk. So only G02 is set up as a trunk. So we need to set up G01. So that's interface G01. Switch port mode trunk. So we'll do show interface trunk. And now G01 and G02 are set up for trunking. So we'll try, oops, let's get that fast forward so all the things are up. Okay, so PC1 to PC4, successful. PC2 to PC5, failed. PC3 to PC6, successful. So something is wrong with PC2 and PC5. It says they're supposed to be both connected at F18 on their switches, so we're just going to check that. Hover over this. So this is connected at FA0 and FA018. So that's good. And then this one is connected at FA17. So we're going to switch that to F18. Fast forward so it connects. Delete those so we can see. And then PC2, PC5, successful.